Lower back exercises might be part of your back pain solution. Lower back pain exercises are what many people undertake when searching for something to alleviate the excruciating experience of severe back pain. If you are someone enduring this problem, you might find some small comfort in knowing that you are not in the minority. Believe it or not, millions of people every year have an injury that leads to chronic or acute back pain, but it's not only people with injuries that get this painful experience. Back pain is a problem that 80% or more of us will get at some point in our lives, with lower back pain being the most common. Many of us will get this condition by one of the many different causes, and the problem may repeat itself more than once. It really can take you by surprise. You can be going about your everyday life when suddenly, out of the blue, it can hit you like a lightning bolt. This is what happened to me only 4 years ago while at home and about to get up from my seat to go to the kitchen. A natural reaction to aches and pains quite often is to rest, which actually sounds quite sensible. Rest in some cases may be the best form of treatment, but keeping active, if so prescribed, can do the world of good for your recovery. It's quite common when something like this happens to you, that you hope that the incident was a one-off and that the problem will just go away. Unfortunately, it usually doesn't work that way, and burying your head in the sand rarely helps any problem. Although the two types, or classes, of back pain are chronic and acute, the causes are many and varied. That's why it's wise to try to find out exactly what is causing your particular predicament, and if necessary get advice from appropriate medical specialists. Having said that, it can be difficult to know what advice would suit you, because there are so many different approaches you can take in an attempt to get rid of your pain. If you decide to go and visit a doctor about your situation, you could visit one of many. There are various medical professionals or specialists that you can see, such as your family doctor, a chiropractor, a physiotherapist, an osteopath, or an acupuncture practitioner, to name a few. All have their various abilities and areas of expertise, and may be able to help you, but the one person you shouldn't overlook who may be able to help you the most in this situation, is yourself. That's right, in many cases, with the right knowledge you can solve your own problem by identifying the cause of your back pain, and deciding to resolve things and take the necessary action. Of course, we are all individuals with a different height, weight, and fitness level. There may even be other medical conditions you have that are affecting you. All of these things make your situation unique. With all the remedies available to combat back pain, surprisingly many of us will feel that we just have to live with it, or we leave it far too long before we do anything about it. I was one of those people, but have since learned that there are many things we can do to help ourselves. I've also learned from my experience that we should always attend to a back problem as soon as possible, so that we understand our situation. This in turn takes away the fear of the unknown. Also, taking prompt action will reduce the unnecessary length of time that we suffer the pain. It's also just as wise to take an interest in our overall health condition and keep it maintained well. I am very much a believer that with this kind of approach many of our problems would sort themselves out, or might not have happened in the first place. Visit our website for additional lower back exercises, http://bit.ly/hypex2019.